Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're coming to the end of my orange series, so I'm doing this look. I'm using a few different palettes, so just bear with me on the colors. I'm starting off with a big blending brush and I'm using the Carnival XL palette, the eyeshadow clean. I'm going to use this really high on the crease. It's going to be the transition color. And in the brow bone, I already have the eyeshadow Pillow Talk from the same Carnival XL palette by Be Perfect Cosmetics. Next, I'm going in with the Carnival Love Tahiti palette, also by Be Perfect Cosmetics, and I'm going to layer the eyeshadow yellow. This is more of a mustardy yellow, well, kind of like a mustardy orange yellow, and right now we're just building on our shades. Back into the Carnival XL palette, I'm taking the eyeshadow Inferno, and this is more of a red tone eyeshadow, but it has quite a peachy orangey base, so that's why I use this one, and it's gonna really deepen our crease color. To layer that and blend it out, I'm going to take the eyeshadow Mango from the Carnival Love Tahiti palette. And this mango eyeshadow is more of a light orange, so it's going to mesh well and blend well. Next, with your blending brush, you're going to just go in and start blending out in circular motions continuously into your inner corner. If you need to, tap into a little bit of the mango color, that way it can blend out the To cut the crease, I'm going in with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the shade 01. And I'm just going to press them by my eyelashes, look up, and start carving out the crease. This is going to help so that the lid color I'm going to put on next, it's going to be very clean and very bright so that it stands out in contrast to the crease color. Once that's done, I always like to go in with the NYX glitter primer to apply any shadows or duochrome shimmers because I feel like it makes the eyeshadow last longer, and also it keeps it in place and it makes it really shiny so that it doesn't wear off. My favorite brush to apply shimmers is the e.l.f. eyeshadow brush, and I'm taking the eyeshadow from the Jackie Aina palette in Anastasia, and this is Trust Issues. The camera can never do this eyeshadow any justice. I'm telling you, this eyeshadow pops so nicely against any yellow, golden, brown tones, especially with this look. I know on my eyes it looks like a shimmery white, but it's not just a shimmery white. It has that yellow, golden shift to it, and it just makes the light hit your eyes so nicely. I don't know, I can't describe it that good. It's a stunning eyeshadow. If you have the palette, you know. Alright, so this look turned into candy corn vibes, but I'm not even mad at it. I'm going in with the yellow eyeshadow and keen eyeshadow diagonally from the center of my lid by my lashes, and then diagonally dragging that up into my crease. I was gonna add orange here, but I knew that it would look a little too similar to the last look I posted, so I just wanted to keep it lighter and brighter, which this look is way brighter than the other ones. I have to say, for this part, it was so hard not to add darker orange or orange brown here because I'm used to adding the dimension and depth at the end, at the outer corner, and it was really hard for me not to do that, but I ended up going in with the eyeshadow influence from the Carnival XL palette on my lower lash line so I can add a little bit more darkness and definition. I think it's because I didn't have my lashes on yet and I just felt like my eyes needed an extra pop. I don't know, I never know when to stop. So here I'm just adding the eyeshadow with a small detail brush. And then we're gonna blend it out with the eyeshadow mango and yellow. Again, I thought about doing a brown eyeliner, but I didn't want to keep it too similar to my previous looks. So I decided to keep it bright and add an orange eyeliner. This is actually a liquid lipstick by Melt Cosmetics in the shade Monarca. It's a very bright orange. I know on the lid it doesn't look like it, but that's because I already have eyeshadow. But it's a really, really pretty orange color. I always like to go in after I do my eyeliner and touch up the blending on the inner corners and also the outer corner color. Sometimes it needs a little more definition or needs to be packed on more. So I just go in with my brushes and touch that up. To keep with the theme, I went in with the bright yellow eyeliner from LA Girl, and I'll have it listed in my Instagram post as usual with all my products that I used. For my infamous inner corner pop, I use the NYX pigment. This is quickly becoming one of my favorite goldy yellow tone pigments, and it went super nicely with this whole look. I did go overboard with it, so I did use a blending brush to kind of blend out that edge at the top, but I love how bright it is. All that's left to do is add on your eyelashes and your mascara, which I'm using the Verg MUA lashes. They're a bridal lash. Once you have that on, go ahead and spray all over your face some setting spray. Don't forget to press that spray into your face. This is going to get rid of the chalkiness and the powderiness and any harsh lines from your powders. This is the finished result. I actually ended up loving the way it looked with this dark fall vampy lipstick. I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. I'll see you in my next video.